Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix Roblox ping spikes. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or use an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Then restart your computer. This closes background processes and refreshes your network connection. Now open settings on your PC. Then click apps from the left side. Now select installed apps. Here search for Roblox. Once you find Roblox player, click the three dots next to it. Then click uninstall and confirm the removal. Now click the three dots next to Roblox Studio and select uninstall as well. Once that's done, go back to your desktop and press Windows plus R to open the run dialog. Now type %temp% and click OK. Delete all the files in this folder. If some files are currently in use, simply skip them and continue. Now open the run dialog again, type temp and click OK. Delete all the files in this folder as well to remove unnecessary temporary data. Next, go back to your desktop and right-click the taskbar, then select Task Manager. Here, close any unnecessary applications that are using high CPU, memory, or network resources as they can increase your ping while gaming. Now open the Start menu and search for Roblox Studio. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. This gives Roblox the required permissions to run properly. Then search for Roblox Player and also choose Run as Administrator. After that, open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. Now click Privacy and Security from the left side. Select Delete Browsing Data. Check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Then click Delete Data to clear old browser files that may interfere with Roblox downloads or updates. Finally, download and reinstall the latest version of Roblox Player and Roblox Studio from the official Roblox website. Sign back into your account and test your game. You should notice smoother gameplay and fewer ping spikes if the issue was caused by corrupted files or cached data. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.